Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and tonight we are back in Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip to check out the Park MGM Hotel and Casino. The Park MGM, obviously an MGM property. As a matter of fact, this entire side of the Strip is pretty much MGM properties with just very few exceptions. If you start from the southern end, you have the Mandalay Bay, then Luxor, then Excalibur, then New York, and then the Park MGM, which is where we are now. Then you have, the Cosmopolitan and the Bellagio, all MGM properties on this side of the Strip. Across the street, just one MGM property, the MGM Grand. That side is mostly Caesars properties. And to get to the main entrance of the Park MGM Casino, as you just saw, you need to walk through Eataly, one of my favorite places to visit all things Italian with regards to shopping and eating. But we're not here to see Eataly tonight. We're going to check out the Park MGM Hotel and Casino. You ready? Let's get started. Right as you walk in, if you head towards the right, you'll see Best Friend Restaurant. It's a Korean barbecue joint by Roy Choi. Very casual and known for their unusual entrees. And as we walk further into the casino, we have Mama Rabbit next. Mama Rabbit's an ode to mezcals and tequilas from all across Mexico. This is On the Record, unexpected discoveries and songs that stop you in your tracks. The joy of hanging out in a record store is the inspiration for Park MGM's new speakeasy and club experience. On the Record is a love letter to long-lost music hubs and an exciting new way to spend your nights in Vegas. And here we have the sports book at the Park MGM. Right off the sports book here at the Park MGM is the Side Betty Grill, super casual, and the Side Betty Grill is loaded with all the burgers, nachos, and wings you need. And here we have the Juniper Cocktail Lounge. Juniper, of course, the berries needed to make gin. Juniper Cocktail Lounge is home to the largest collection of gin in Las Vegas.
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
And a shout out to Robert Camacho, who found Clarice the Miss America crown in my latest Atlantic City video, the Apollo Suite at the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. Good going, Robert. We just passed Bavette's Steakhouse and Bar. Bavette's embraces French flair without the formality, blending fine dining with unabashed fun. They also have some great seafood. I guess now's a good time to point out, if you haven't heard, the Park MGM is the first and only currently smoke-free hotel and casino in Las Vegas. And I guess now is also a good time to ask that if you're liking this video, please subscribe to the New York channel and give the video a thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. And always check that community tab here on the New York channel for all the latest news going on here at the channel and all the places that I visit. As I head to the pool here at the Park MGM, I saw in the background the Aria and Vidara, and I totally forgot to mention those two MGM properties when I was walking down the strip going through all the MGM properties. So yes, two more to add to that list. They're kind of pushed back, but out of sight, not necessarily out of mind. As we head towards the registration or front desk area of the Park MGM, we have Primrose here on the right. Park MGM believes that breakfast is better without a deadline, and garden parties with bubbles are the best way to brunch. The Primrose offers indoor and outdoor dining. It opens up to the pool area near the back. The New York channel now has a new feature called Super Thanks. If you're watching this video, just look a little bit below the video, and hopefully normally where you click on that thumbs up, look a little bit to the right and you'll see a new button that says Thanks. Clicking on that Thanks button will give you, the viewer, the opportunity to leave a very colorful and noticeable highlighted comment on the video that you're watching, which will be pinned to the top of all other comments. And as my personal thanks to you, you'll receive a one-time animation while you're watching this video above the video, as again, personal thanks from me to you for giving me a super thanks. And of course, super thanks aren't required. They're just a great way to show me and others who are watching these videos how much you like to support the channel. We're heading towards the Nomad area of the Park MGM. It's kind of like a boutique hotel within a hotel, and I came across this Wheel of Fortune. This is actually what they're called. They're called Wheel of Fortunes, which, by the way, they have the worst odds of just about anything you can play in the casino, from what I understand. I always put my money on number 3, my lucky number, and I never win. And it landed on 1. See, 3 never comes out. What's that? There's no 3 on a Wheel of Fortune? Well, that explains a lot. Right now we're heading towards the Nomad Bar. The Nomad Bar serves dinner and late night bites, perfect for a cocktail and a snack, or a more substantial meal if you'd like. This is the entrance to the Dolby Live Theater here at the Park MGM, one of the larger venues here on the Las Vegas Strip. These folks are waiting to get in to see the Silk Sonic show featuring Bruno Mars, and some other acts coming up shortly are Aerosmith, the Jonas Brothers, Usher, and The Who. This is the house of Gaga, always closed every time I visit this place, so I don't know if I'm ever going to get inside, but that egg, by the way, is what she was carried into the Grammy Awards several years ago. She arrived at the Grammys in that egg. And here we have La La Noodle, Park MGM's noodle shop serving Pan-Asian cuisine. And now we'll do a little walkthrough through the slot area of the casino, the non-smoking casino of the Park MGM here. And I actually did a slot pull here, and that video is going to be coming up shortly here on the New York channel. And that's pretty much it for the Park MGM walkthrough tonight. I'm going to do separate videos on Eataly as well as that slot pull coming up soon. And what do you think of the Park MGM? And more importantly, does a non-smoking casino mean a lot to you? Leave a comment below. I'd love to find out.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.